You can use words or any other textual data in your passwords and key codes. The program can insert words into your passwords by taking them from what's called dictionaries. Thus, in the program, dictionaries are used as the sources for words. There are three kinds of dictionaries: built-in dictionaries, custom dictionaries, and data-bound dictionaries. Both built-in and custom dictionaries are essentially program representations of textual files that store the words. Data-bound dictionaries, on the other hand, represent database tables and not textual files. The program therefore lets you use textual data in your passwords and key codes, be it from external files or databases. The dictionaries can be configured in the Dictionaries and Data-Bound Dictionaries panels and are very customizable. For example, you can filter out unwanted words by setting the filter and word length properties. You can also transform the words by changing their letter case according to the mask, trimming them, or using other modifications. Depending on the type of the dictionary, other properties will be available. For example, if it is a custom dictionary, path property will let you specify the path to a file that contains the data. Or if it is a data-bound dictionary, there will be a connection property for you to specify the connection string to the database, and select property for you to specify the select SQL statement. You may be wondering how the program actually know where to insert a word into a password or key code. This information is specified by a mask. Take this mask, for example, and the passwords that were generated using it. This mask is a rather simple one. All it tells the program to do is to take a random word from dictionary A, then put a dash, then insert one uppercase character, and then insert two numeric characters. The resultant passwords are displayed here. You may be wondering, however, why the words look so weird and modified, and in fact seem to be missing one last letter. That's because the default dictionary A from which the words were chosen was customized in the following way. First of all, a word selection filter was applied, which instructed the program to only take the words which start with the letter A and have a minimum length of 8. Then, the letter case mask was applied, which instructed the program to alternate between uppercase and lowercase letters, and one last letter was set to be removed from the word. This gives you an idea of how customizable the program is when it comes to using external textual data in your passwords and key codes. And what's more is that you are not restricted to using just one dictionary in your mask, as is the case here. You can use 2 or even more dictionaries in your masks, and therefore have your passwords and key codes contain textual data from several external sources.